Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 5th to the 17th. February 5th to 9th, the pattern remains stable. We have a ridge over much of western North America. We have a ridge here off the west coast and another ridge near Alaska or to the north of Alaska. We also have a strong area of positive height anomalies over the northwest Atlantic, and we have a trough here extending from an upper low over Hudson Bay into the eastern U.S. Miles a good agreement with this. We go through the days and we come to the 9th with this. We don't see much of a change here. We look at the rest of the models. They're good agreement. Mild conditions are forecast in the west with anomalies that's supposed to be 10 to 20 degrees above normal. A trough will result in below normal temperatures in the east central states. There will be some fluctuations in temperatures from the southern plains to the east coast. Precipitation is forecast from the lower Mississippi Valley to the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. And accumulating snows are forecast from the Ohio Valley into interior portions of the Mid-Atlantic and New England. A broad shield of precipitation is forecast along a stall boundary from the central northern plains into the upper Midwest, into the Intermountain West. February 8th to the 12th. Here we are at the 10th. And not much change again is forecast. We still have our anomalous ridge here, and we have our trough with upper low from Hudson Bay into the eastern U.S. And the models are good agreement with this. We go to the end of the period, go to the 12th, and see maybe a little bit of flattening of the flow, but overall the same general consensus. And then we look at the weeklies, it shows the same thing. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here with the anomalies of 8 to 12 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains into the east, anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees below normal for precipitation. Below normal precipitation forecast here. Forecast of occurrence is 45 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Okay, now here's where we run into a little trouble with the models, and I'm going to explain why. Okay, we're going to go to the 13th, and you can see what happens here. The models are showing a flattening of the flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. But during this time, we're going to be having a stratospheric warming event, and the models are having issues handling the stratospheric events. They don't handle it very well. And the polar vortex is forecast to split, and then should favor some cold air to come back into the east. So with that in mind, for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here. I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains into the east, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 50%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for February 5th to 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.